All right, good morning from Lagos, Nigeria. Today, Wolves versus Chelsea. Chelsea's second game. Hope and ginger still day high. And this viewing center where they go today, this viewing center we're going to today is 90% Chelsea fan, is owned by a Chelsea fan, established by Chelsea fan. Chelsea fans bought most of the things there, so just get ready here. Hopefully, it's a good one. It's joy for the people today. Chelsea wins and everybody is happy. All right, my name is Stokes of Football Fans Tribe to guide you through this match day vlog. And Chelsea fan Danny.
Chelsea fan Danny, Nigeria boy, Niger boy. So we are going for the Chelsea. You know what to expect from us now?
I beg, there's an Arsenal fan and a Man United fan here. What are you expecting, gentlemen?
See the losing man here. You lose, so back-to-back losing. My name is Godfrey, guys. One man, you guys here.
I am sorry to tell you that we lost, but I'm waiting for my partner Chelsea to come and join me. I can never be a partner. I can never be a partner of failure.
Chelsea lose, man, you go lose.
Chelsea win, man, you go lose. Chelsea win, man, you go lose. Chelsea win, man, you go lose.
They don't lose already, you go lose.
So, I mean, like I said, this particular viewing center, we've been to places Port Harcourt, Benin, Enugu, Owerri, all over Nigeria, even Abuja. You get good energy from anywhere. But when we're in Lagos here and closer to this place we are going to right now, this viewing center is always full of blue Chelsea energy. So it's always a banger. So the road to a place need not be the nature of the place.
Yes.
The energy is all that matters.
Yes.
You see, at the gym, Man City do me something. Yes, but this time, you see what I want to do. Make your face tell no.
For Chelsea, oh?
Yeah, for Chelsea. At the gym, so that I know what I
Two, 3, 4, 5, 6. Try not. Number 20, go Pama number.
You see this thing?
What did Chelsea complain today?
They're killing now.
What's the scoreline today?
The scoreline, I tell no score go reach 5. That means we don't win.
I told you already, the energy in this place is always thick when it comes to Chelsea. And in as much as there are other places, there are some beautiful bars, there are some more fancy viewing centers and other places that people watch football, but the energy levels are always, to me, highest in places like this where people feel the football more. There's a sense of community in these places. One, Kuna.
Okay, you know people Chelsea fans and I need to tell you, the Arsenal fans, we don't
It's halftime, it's 2-2, 4 goals already. What will the second half bring? That defense is still give you small. But no, we get small challenge. Sit down and no, get small challenge.
The only present you Chelsea have to do now to come up Arsenal for top first. Come on, Arsenal for top first.
That was fun. 8 goals from this Chelsea team. Maybe cooking something this season, but this vlog was absolutely elite. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Stokes for Football Fan Strike. Thanks for watching. Right here, another one of our videos where you're supposed to like, and all our social media links. I beg, follow us on every platform because we get content for everybody. Thanks for watching. Right here, another one of our videos where you're supposed to like, and all our social media links. I beg, follow us on every platform because we get content